Introducing you the admin panel of Urbanclab. To see the dashboard page, we first have to log in. So let's enter the login credential here. I have entered the login credential and we have now logged in. So here you can see the dashboard page. In the dashboard page, we can see commissions earning section, total earning, customers and provider. This gives us detail about the customer and provider on our app. Here we have earning statistics section, which shows the earning in different months in the form of line chart. Here we can change the year to see the corresponding earnings. Then we have top providers here, recent booking section, and booking statistics for July. We can also see the recent transaction over here. After this, we have system add-ons. Here you can add add-ons to your system by uploading the payment module. To know how this works, you can click on this button and read the instructions. Then we have service zone. Here you can set up the zone for the service. Like for creating the zone, you'll have to click on the map and then connect the dots. Like this. Now the zone is created and you can name your zone over here and then click on submit button to add into zone list. Let's name this zone 1 and then click on submit button. Now here you can see your zone has been added successfully and its status is active, and you can edit your zone by clicking on this edit button, or you can delete on by clicking on the delete button. Here you can edit your zone and its zone name. After service zone, we have service categories. In the service categories, we have category setup and subcategory setup. Let's see what's in this category setup. Here we can set up different categories. We can name the categories and select the zone for creating a category. We can see the examples over here. These all are demo data like shifting, plumbing, painting. These are all categories. The status is active. You can edit your created category by clicking on this edit button, and you can change this category name or the zone area. Then click on update button to make the changes. To create a brand new category, we'll have to enter the category name. Let's go for AC repair, and we'll have to select the zones. So zone 1, which we have created earlier, or all over the world zone, which was we have created for demo purpose. So I'm going with zone 1. Oh, I'm sorry. We also have to upload the image of our category here. Then only we can go further. Let's go again. We have set up the category name. We have selected the zone. Now we have to upload the image. Now let's click on submit button. Again, we have already uploaded the category with this name. So we'll have to change the name also. Now a category has been uploaded, and we can see it over here. Okay, after category section, we have subcategory setup. Similarly, we can also add a subcategory. For adding subcategory, we have to first of all select the main category, then subcategory's name and description about the subcategory, and then press on this click button. We also have to upload the image for the subcategory. Then our subcategory will be added over here, and we can edit from this button by clicking on this button, and delete from clicking on this button. After category section, we have service sections. Here in the service section, we have service list, add new list, new service request. Let's check service list. In the service list, we can see all the services which are available, like basic AC repairing, AC master service, and the status is active. We can edit these service list again by clicking on this edit button, and we have to fill in the necessary details over here, like description, tags, min binding price, service name, etc. Then we have a button to add new service. Here we can add new service. For adding new service, we have to provide the service name, select the category. We can also opt for subcategory. Then we have to enter the min bidding price. We'll have to upload the thumbnail image and cover image. Then we have to write either we can write short description or long description, and then click on next button to create a new service. Then we have new service request. Here we can see all the requests for the service. After service management, we have promotion management. Here we can see discounts, coupon and campaigns, add fund bonus, promotion banners, push notifications. Let's check discount. We can see the discount list and add new discount here. Here it shows all the discounts which are now available for our service. We can download this also in Excel file format. We can edit this by clicking on this edit button. Now we can make the suitable changes and click on update button to make the updates. After that, we have add new we do have service wise discounts also, category wise discount also, and mixed discounts. Then we have add new discount. Here we can add the new discounts. For adding new discount, we have to select the discount type, discount title, category, zone, discount amount type. Either it's going for percentage or fixed amount, start date, end date, and click on submit button to add it to in the discount list section. Then we have coupon section. Here we can see the coupons list. For now, we have one. We can edit this by clicking on that edit button. Here we can make the suitable changes for the coupon. Like we can change the name, coupon, select the coupon type, coupon code, discount type, discount amount price, and click on update button to make the changes. After coupon list, we have button function to add new coupon. Here we can add new coupons. For adding new coupons, again we have to select the coupon type, coupon code, discount type, categories, zones, discount amount, and click on submit button to add new coupon. After coupons, we have campaign section. Here we can see all the campaigns list. For now, we don't have any campaign list. And add new campaign. We can add new campaign by entering it campaign's name, uploading cover image, thumbnail image, selecting the discount type, category, selecting the category, selecting the zone, and then entering the discount amount type. Either it's going for percentage or fixed amount, and starting date and end date for the campaign, and click on submit button to add new campaign. After campaign section, we have add fund bonus. Here we can see bonus list. For now, we don't have bonus list. We can add new bonus, but in the add new bonus section. For adding new bonus, we'll first have to enter the bonus title, its short description, either a percentage of fixed amount, then percentage of bonus, then minimum add amount, maximum bonus amount, and start date and end date for the bonus. Going on, we have promotion banners. Here we can add the banners, and down here we can see the banners. For adding new banner, we have to enter the banner's title, select the resource type, either it's going for categories wise, service wise, or redirect link. Then we have to select the category and then upload the image. We can see the promotional banner by category here and service by here. Then we have push notification section. Here down here we can see the push notifications. We have different push notification according to customer, provider, and serviceman. We can create new push notification by entering the notifications title, its description, selecting its zone, selecting users, uploading the cover image, and then clicking on submit button. After that, our push notification will be added down here, and we can change its status from here. After promotion management, we have booking section, and in the booking management, here we can see the customized request, verify request, booking request, accepted, ongoing, completed, and cancelled. Let's check one by one. Customized request. Here we can see all the requests which are in customized. Then we have verify request. Requests which have been verified will be shown over here. We can see the detail by clicking on view details button. Here we can see the booking, payment method, payment status, booking summary, and grand total amount, information about the customer, providers, providers information, etc. Then we have booking request. For now, we don't have any data right now, but we can go on for accepted requests. All the requests which have been accepted will be shown here. Then similarly, we'll have ongoing, completed, and cancelled section where we can see the services which has been accepted, ongoing, completed, or cancelled. After that, we have provide the management. In the providers, we have all the list about the provider. These are all our providers. We can add new provider from here. For adding new provider, we have to give it company's name, phone number, email, selecting its zone, company's address, and business information and contact person's information. And we'll also need account information. We can select the address from the map also by entering its latitude and longitude and clicking on add new button, submit button. Then it will create a new provider. Then we have withdraw request. Here we can see all the withdrawal requests, withdrawal methods. Withdrawal methods will be shown over here. Onboarding request. Onboarding request will be shown over here, and denied request over here. Then we have system management. We can check for business settings here. For now, we have named our business TechTech Software Solutions LLP, and phone number, email, country, minimum withdrawal amount, and all these things here. We have general setup here, like email verification, cash outflow, service, digital payments, etc. Promotional setup. Here we can set up normal discount, campaign discount, and coupon discount. Then we have bookings. Here we have different settings related to booking, like binding system for customer booking, post validation, confirm OTP, complete service. Then we have customer section, providers section, serviceman section, OTP and login setup. After this, we have landing page setup. Here we can change the top title of the site, description, sub-description, about us title, about us description, etc. Then we have button and link section. Here we can add on the URL to the Play Store, App Store, and web URL. Then we have specialty. Here we can add specialty title, description, and upload image to add a new specialty. Then we have testimonial section. Here we can add the reviewer's name, designation, and its review, and uploads reviewer's image. Then we have features section. We can add new feature by entering the feature title, subtitle, and upload the image. Then we have image section. Here we can upload different images. Then we have background section. Here we can change the header background color, body background color, footer background color. Then we have social media section. Here we can link our different social medias to our site. Okay. Then we have meta section. Here we can add the headers for our site, like meta description and meta title. Then we have web app. Here we can add the top title, top description, middle title, middle subtitles, and etc. to our web app. Then we have web app images. Here we can add the images for our web app. Then going forward, we have configurations like notification, third party configuration, email configuration, SMS configuration, payment configuration, app setting. Let's check notification configurations. Here we can set up the configuration for the notification. After notification configuration, we have third party configuration. Third party configuration contains Google Map, Firebase push notifications, reCAPTCHA, and Apple login. And for configuring these apps, we have to enter the API key and API client to configure these apps. Then we have email configuration. We can configure our app email by entering the mail name, host, driver, port, username, email ID, encryption, and password. Then we have SMS configuration. Here we can configure SMS. Like we have selected Trivio to inactive, two-factor to inactive. You can select from message 91, Nexmo, Relines, etc. For now, we have inactivated all these. For activating these, we'll have to provide the SID, message servicing ID, token, from, and OTP template. Then we have payment configuration. Here we can configure our payment gateways. Our payment methods contains Paytm, Stripe, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Paystack, etc. Then we have app setting. In the app setting, we can see customer, provider, serviceman, social logins. Here we can set up the minimum version for the Android. As you can read here, if there is any update available in the admin panel and that the previous app will not work, you can force the customer from here by providing the minimum version for force update. This means if a customer has an app Below this version, the customer must need to update the app first. If you do not need a force update, then you can insert 0 from here. We can add minimum version for Android here and minimum version for iOS here. Then we have provider. Same goes for the provider, ServiceMan, and we can add social media login from here. Like we have selected Google for now, and its status is active. Going down, we have page setting. Here we can set up the about us page, cancellation policy, privacy policy, refund policy, and terms and conditions. Then we have gallery section. It contains different sections regarding our app. Like we have media for category, business, and banner. Then we have backup database. For now, we don't have backup, but we can take a backup by clicking on this, take a new backup, and this will generate a new backup. Then we have employee management. Here we can select the role name and modulus for the employee, and it will be shown over down here. We can add a new employee from here, add new employee. We'll have to fill in these details like first name, last name, phone number, address, role, zone. We have to select his identity, like whether he's a driving we have to select the identity type, which is either its passport, driving license, and its identity number, uploading the employee's image and identification image and account information to add new employee. Then we have employees list. Here we can see all the employees which are working for us. Then we have customer management. We can see the customers list from here. This contains all our customers. We can add a new customer from here. For adding a new customer, we have to enter the customer's name, last name, email, phone number, password, and we have to confirm the password. For adding a new customer, we'll also have to provide the customer's image. Then we have customer wallet. This section contains add fund and report. We can add fund by selecting the customer name, amount, and it's optional to enter the reference. Then click on submit button to add fund. Then we have report section, which shows wallet transaction report and credited balance, credited amount, debited amount, and balance amount. Then we have customer setting. Here we can set up the loyalty point, wallet, and referral earning. Then we have loyalty point. Here we can see the report for the loyalty point. Then we have transaction management. We can see all the transaction here. We can also see the transaction from debit and credit. Then we have report management. Here we can see the reports about the transaction, business, booking, and provider. This is a transaction report. Then we have business report, which shows the earning statistics, net profit, customer commission earnings, and total expense. We can also add new business report by selecting the zone, category, subcategory, and date range. We can also see earning report and expense report. This shows our earning report, and this is our expense report. Then we have bookings. This shows the booking report. We can add a new booking by selecting the zone, category, subcategory, selecting the provider and date range. This is our booking statistics. This all contain the bookings like customer ID, customer info, provider, booking amounts, service amount, discount coupon, coupon discount, VAT and actions. We can take a look by clicking on this I button. This contains all the information about the booking. We can even download this booking report into Excel file format from here. Then we have provider report. We can add a new provider report by entering the zone provider, selecting the provider, selecting the subcategory, and selecting the date range. For now, we have these demo provider reports. We can take a look at them by clicking on this I button. This is a provider detail. This is information about the provider, contact information, business information. Then we have subscribed services for the provider detail, booking detail for the provider detail, ServiceMan list of the provider, settings of the provider, bank information. Then we have reviews about the provider. Then we have analytics section, which contain keyword search and customer search. Here we can see the analytics based on keyword search. And in the customer search, we can see the searches based on customer analytics. We can see top services based on this week, this month, last 15 days, or this year and last year. Then we have detail about the customer down here, like customers, image, volume, related services, time service visits, times added to the cart, total booking, and all the details here in this actions tab. We can see the information about the customer here, like he has placed 11, total booking, his wallet balance, total booking amount, his address, and we can edit his details by clicking on this edit button. We can make changes in his first name, last name, email, phone number, and we have to enter the password to make the changes. We can also start conversation from here. We can choose the user type and select the uh, user to chat with the customer. We can go for customer, provider, or serviceman. For now, we have Kareem as a demo customer, so we can chat with him from here. We can update our profile from setting. We can change our name, last name, email, and phone number, and we can also upload an image for us.